Hey everyone, and welcome back. Gearheads and everyday drivers, buckle up. Today we're diving into the all-new 2025 Mazda CX70. This midsize SUV promises to be equal parts thrilling ride and family-friendly haven. Let's see if it delivers. Under the hood, the CX70 boasts a unique engine option, a turbocharged 3.3-liter inline-six. This isn't your average SUV power plant. Expect smooth, responsive acceleration with a satisfying amount of grunt, a welcome surprise for driving enthusiasts. For those who crave even more muscle, higher trims offer a tuned version of the same engine with a healthy horsepower boost. Both options pair with a smooth shifting 8-speed automatic transmission, optimizing performance and fuel efficiency. But the CX70 isn't just about horsepower. Mazda is known for its driver-focused engineering, and this SUV is no exception. Think sharp steering, a well-balanced suspension, and a feeling of connectedness to the road that will make any drive enjoyable. The CX70 ditches the boxy lines of traditional SUVs, embracing a sleek and modern aesthetic. Imagine a bold front grille, sharp headlights, and a flowing silhouette that conveys both sophistication and a hint of sportiness. It's sure to turn heads wherever you go. Inside, the CX70 prioritizes comfort and quality. Think upscale materials like leather and soft-touch plastics, with a focus on ergonomics and intuitive controls. Passengers will appreciate ample legroom and headroom, making every journey comfortable for the whole crew. Tech that keeps you connected and safe. Mazda prioritizes clean and functional infotainment systems, and the CX70 is expected to follow suit. Look for a user-friendly touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. Safety is paramount, so expect the CX70 to be loaded with advanced driver assistance features. These might include automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring, providing peace of mind on every drive. In a world of comfort-first SUVs, the CX70 stands out with its sharp handling and an engaging driving experience. It's a breath of fresh air for drivers who crave a bit more excitement behind the wheel. Unique engine option, the turbocharged inline-six engine offers a distinct advantage over typical four-cylinder options. It delivers smoother power, a more thrilling drive, and sets the CX70 apart from the competition. The 2025 Mazda CX70 isn't just an SUV, it's a statement for drivers who value both performance and practicality. It offers a comfortable and spacious interior, a stunning design, and driving dynamics that will put a smile on any driver's face. Whether you're a gearhead seeking adventure or a family looking for a stylish and functional ride, the CX70 is worth keeping an eye on. What are your thoughts on the 2025 Mazda CX70? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're looking for SUVs that go beyond the ordinary, hit that subscribe button for more exciting car reviews.